Welcome into the realm of premium hardwood flooring offered through Castle Rock, Colorado Hardwood Flooring. We take great pride in providing the highest quality craftsmanship and knowledge to transform your home or business into something truly extraordinary. Whether you're seeking hardwood floors with exotic or traditional design, our team of highly trained professionals will be able to meet your every requirement. We are experts with the installation, maintenance, and finishing of hardwood floors, giving them their natural beauty back and ensuring that they endure the test of time. And it's not only flooring. We also provide expertise in hardwood stairs repair, maintenance, and refinishing to create an unison flow through your home or business. But what distinguishes us is our innovative method of dustless sanding. You'll never have to worry about mess or hassle and flawless results and a healthier environment. We know that certain locations may require extra attention due to certain environmental conditions. This is why we provide premium laminate flooring as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring that cater to high moisture and highly traffic areas like entryways, bathrooms, or kitchens. Just know that even in the busiest spaces of your home or business, our flooring options will exceed your expectations. We take pride in offering individualized solutions for each of our customers. Our staff of experts will help you each step of the way and ensure that your vision is an amazing reality. At Castle Rock, Colorado Hardwood Flooring, our goal is to create spaces that are more than exceptional. You can trust us to be your one-stop shop for any traditional and exotic hardwood flooring, laminate flooring, or luxury vinyl plank flooring requirements. Choose Castle Rock, Colorado. Hardwood flooring for amazing hardwood floors. Contact us today to let us help bring your ideas to reality. Don't forget to ask about our dustless sanding options to keep your home or business cleaner and healthier.